Welcome. If you love discovering new ways to boost productivity and creativity, you're in the right place. Here we break down AI tools that save time, simplify tasks, and help you build smarter habits, all explained in a clear and beginner-friendly way.
Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, this would make a great presentation, but I don't want to spend an hour turning it into slides? Normally, you'd have to watch the video, take notes, organize the information, write slide titles, design layouts, and add visuals. But what if you could speed up that entire process using AI? Imagine watching a YouTube video, letting AI organize the key ideas, and then instantly turning those ideas into a full PowerPoint presentation. Slides, structure, and key points generated automatically. Today, I'm going to show you a simple workflow using NotebookLM and AiPPT that helps turn YouTube videos into professional presentations in minutes. And honestly, this can completely change the way students, teachers, and researchers build slides. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you often watch YouTube videos for learning, research, or content ideas, this workflow is going to save you a lot of time. Today we're looking at how to use NotebookLM together with AiPPT to turn video content into professional PowerPoint slides. NotebookLM helps organize the information from a YouTube video, and then AiPPT converts those notes into a presentation. Instead of manually creating slides from scratch, AI helps summarize the content and build the presentation structure for you. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how you can turn a YouTube video into a full presentation in just a few minutes. And if you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with a YouTube video. For example, imagine you want to create a presentation about value investing, or maybe you want to analyze whether Tesla is worth buying. Instead of manually watching the video and writing down notes, we can use NotebookLM to help organize the information. First, find the YouTube video you want to turn into a presentation and copy the video link. Next, open NotebookLM and paste the YouTube link into the tool. NotebookLM analyzes the video and generates organized notes based on the content. It essentially summarizes the key ideas and structures the information so it's easier to understand. Once NotebookLM finishes organizing the notes, you can simply copy the generated text. Now we move to the second tool, AiPPT. Inside the AiPPT dashboard, choose the option to create slides from text using dynamic slides. Then paste the text you copied from NotebookLM. AiPPT analyzes that content and automatically converts it into a structured presentation. Within seconds, you'll see slide titles, key points, and a logical presentation outline based on the notes. Instead of writing slides manually, the AI helps build the structure for you, and this alone can save a huge amount of time. Next, you can choose a template. AiPPT includes a variety of professionally designed templates, so you don't have to worry about slide design. You simply choose a style that fits your presentation. For example, business-style presentations, educational slide layouts, creative presentation designs. Once the template is selected, AiPPT automatically applies it to the entire presentation. Within a few seconds, your slides are generated with titles, structured content, and visuals. What normally takes an hour or more can now happen in just minutes. Of course, you're not locked into the AI-generated slides. Everything is fully editable. You can click on any slide and change the text, adjust the layout, replace images, or add new sections. You can also upload your own images if you want to personalize the presentation. And once everything looks good, you can export the presentation as a PowerPoint file, PDF, or images. So if you prefer editing in PowerPoint afterward, that works perfectly. This workflow is especially useful for people who learn or research using videos. For example, students can convert lecture videos into structured study presentations. Teachers can turn educational videos into classroom slides. Marketers or researchers can transform long videos into quick presentation summaries. Instead of manually watching a video and taking notes, NotebookLM organizes the information and AiPPT transforms it into slides. It's basically like having two AI assistants helping you turn videos into presentations. So that's how you can turn a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation using NotebookLM and AiPPT. First, NotebookLM helps organize the content from the video. Then AiPPT converts those notes into a professional slide presentation. This workflow can save a lot of time when you're creating presentations from video content. If you want to try AiPPT yourself, check out the link in the description below and see how quickly you can turn ideas into slides. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools that help you work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.